I'm telling you, this is the bag, the bag. Hi everybody, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel. And today, as you can see, I have an unboxing, a Coach unboxing, which I'm so excited about. So if you're into handbags, you're into Coach, then you definitely need to stick around because I just could not pass it up. You know how you have those bags that just call your name, they sing your name, they say, "Buy me." Yes, that is this bag. I have not made a purchase directly from Coach. It's about 6 months when I purchased my hobo bag, but when I was browsing online, yeah, this one was definitely calling my name. So let me just go ahead and jump right into it and open it up. I want to give you a full overlook of the bag. I did order it as a gift because you know me, I love a nice unboxing with all the presentation. It never gets old. So if you like that kind of thing too, then just come along for the ride. We're gonna have a little fun together today. So yes, you guys already know how Coach does it, but I'm just gonna kind of fly through this part real quick. And here is the cute little box. And yeah, let's just go ahead. Receipts and everything already in there. Guys, this is the Coach Beach bag. This is one bag that you don't want to say, "Beat it, beat it." You want to say, "Come to mama." So, yes, darling. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, yes. So much detail. I don't even know. It's just so beautiful. I like the buckle component. It has that kind of accordion style. So as you can see, there's a lot of space here to open up. It has a slip pocket on the back, so easy access for your phone. You gotta have something that has multiple options for carrying, which this does. You can even carry it definitely by the chain, by this one for crossbody. You got your cute little Coach tag on the side. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. Oh, that's a strong buckle. Oh my goodness. There we go. Oh wow, look at that gorgeous, beautiful interior. I guess it's like a micro suede fiber. Oh my gosh, so luxurious. It's like in a plum color. And then you have your zip center pocket, your slip pocket there, and then this big open space, so you definitely can fit a lot in there. We're just going to take a closer look at it because it's worth taking a closer look at, don't you think? Go ahead, click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you're into handbags, unboxings, all of that thing. I'll go ahead and carry it, do some mod shots for you as well. So yeah, let's go and take a close look at this gorgeous darling. The Coach Beach shoulder bag in signature canvas with horse and carriage print retails for $550. This is the brass and tan truffle rust bag. This bag was made for going places and doing things. This beat bag is inspired by the heartbeat of New York City. It's crafted in a mix of refined leather, signature canvas, and sturdy coated canvas featuring the iconic horse and carriage motif. It features 3 organized compartments and a secure snap closure accented with the Coach buckle. Endlessly versatile. Add the interchangeable chain strap to instantly change the look of the bag, or the crossbody strap for convenient hands-free wear. I'm just giving you a close-up of all of the beautiful design detailings. Now I'm showing you how easy it is to detach the different straps that you have. Very easy to hook. Just press in the little levers and voila, you can change it out. This is the interior with this beautiful microfiber suede, and this is a close-up of all the different compartments. I love the snap components on the bag. They're magnetic and they really are strong and they hold well. The zippers slide and glide easily when you open and close them, and this bag holds a lot, which I'm going to show you now. This bead bag can hold a large size wallet in the front compartment, as you can see, slides in nicely. And I normally carry a carry-out pouch with all my essentials, and that can go in the back compartment quite easily with room to spare. So on the sides, I will put my keys, and then I will put my mask in the back slip snap pocket. And you still have room for your phone on the outer pocket on the back side. There's plenty of room where you can just slide it down. Now I'm getting ready to do some mod shots for you. So the first carrying option I'm showing you is the crossbody option, and I am 5'8" for reference. It hangs pretty long, so if you're on the shorter side, this may not be the best carrying option for you, but this is what it looks like on the shoulder. And this is what it looks like carrying it by the leather top handle strap with the longer strap hanging. And you also have the option of carrying it by the chain strap on the shoulder, which I like. I do like that look, and it hangs very nicely at this length. And then this is me carrying it by the leather top handle strap on the crook of my arm. So this is a very convenient bag with lots of options for carrying. Now I'm going to show you how you can easily attach the longer strap back on. You just glide that through and under this little loop here, and then just bring it back around and thread it through another loop, and then you just fasten and secure them using the little projectile buttons there, and voila, you can easily reattach your strap. Well guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this unboxing and review of the Coach Beat Bag, the bag that you should never say beat it to, but instead you should say together forever and never to part, together forever we're two. And don't you know I would move heaven and earth to be together forever with you. Yes, this is the bag I am so in love with. I've never really been this enamored with a bag since my Coach Parker bag. And there are some similarities to them. I just like things that have a lot of design detail. I know it's a lot going on, but I like the contrasting components of this bag, and the buckle just has that kind of vintage feel to it that I absolutely love. So much weight to it. The different handle straps, just everything about this bag is amazing, and it's kind of similar to the LV Dauphine bag in a way, and I kind of did really like that bag, but I love this bag so much more. And yes, so let me know in the comments below, what have you had your eye on recently from Coach? Do you like the Coach Beat bag? They have a lot of different other options of this bag, so you just keep your eye out. And there, you know, Black Friday's coming up. All the different sales are coming up, so I don't know if it's going to go on sale or not because it's from their new line, maybe later in the year, but I just could not wait. I just had to go ahead and get it since it was on pre-order. So I'm so glad I did. So now I can start using it. It's the perfect fall winter bag. But you know what? The designs on this, I think this will be a year-round bag for me. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this a year-round bag or is this just like a seasonal bag? But for me, I think definitely a year-round bag. And I just absolutely love it. I just think it's so well made. Good job, Coach, once again. And remember, as always, to be a good steward of all that God has given you because he truly loves us so much. And I love you guys too. Remember, share, like, subscribe. If you know any other handbag lovers out there, go ahead and tell them about my channel. Share my videos with them so we can grow the Noble Strength family. I love you. Enjoy this day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.